Okay, I thought it might be easier to just explain this through a video. So this is the animation program. You can see I'm changing the frames per second. I'm kind of sped it up and everything. I'm selecting a color right there for the paintbrush. So I'm going to draw a circle because I'm going to make a head. Draw the eyes and stuff like that. And then if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see every once in a while in between these frames, I click on, in the dead center on the very bottom, I click on duplicate. That copies the thing over. And then I can just erase, and you'll see it gray because that's showing the previous frame. And it gives me something to go by when I'm drawing something else on there. Sorry, I haven't used this this iMovie software like this before, so it's kind of thrown me off. So you basically keep drawing. There's a tools section up at the top. It looks like a paintbrush. There's a bunch of different tools on there. You can move things around, fill things in, add a picture, take a picture, erase things, crop it, things like that, which is kind of cool. So I basically just draw a frame, copy it, erase what I want to change and fix it, and then copy it again, and just keep doing that. Because I'm doing 10 frames per second, it's going to be a little bit choppy, but it also makes it so I don't have to sit here all day to draw the picture. So I'm still doing that. This particular application I think is like the one that I told you about on Android, where you can do layers and stuff like that. So you can do a background layer. This app only lets me do one photograph for a background. I have to make multiple little animations to change the background. But you can also do additional layers, which is not something that I did on here, but if I wanted to have like his eyes looking around, sometimes I'll just draw that on a separate layer and just move it back and forth when I need to. You can also use the move tool to move the object across the screen. So if I wanted his head to be kind of going from one side to the other, I could drag it across the screen from frame to frame. Right here is how you can change the size of your brush stroke, just like you can on most art programs or art apps. So you can see again, like when I erase, it leaves gray on there showing me what the previous frame was, so I can use that as a guide. And I'm just kind of making this up as I go along. I didn't really have an idea in mind initially, but it's almost finished here. And then what I usually do is after I've done the animation, I'll go in and do any, if I have some audio that I want to add to it, like a song that I've been working on or something like that. Actually, I might add that onto this. I haven't yet, but before I send it to you, I'll just put some background music in there. But I'll add in the music, then I'll put it into iMovie and add some filters and stuff. So here's how you can actually preview what the animation looks like. And then here's the actual animation after I've exported it. And then here it is after I've applied my silent film effect that I like too much.